and you are on Auntie Tay's YouTube channel. I am so thankful she let me have another episode of the Sam Show, because today we're talking about Party for Two, and specifically date night, movie night at home. Now, when my husband Matt is working in the summer, because he works seasonally, he does not get a lot of time off of work. And when he does get time off, he normally just wants to stay at home and just relax. So I like to have movie night at home and make it a little extra special. And the Auntie Tay membership files have the tools to do just that, and it's so easy. So I want to show you guys today how to do that. Let's go. Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team, and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. On the Auntie Tay membership website, we are going to go down to Party Templates. And from there, we are going to go to Movie Night. Now, this movie night theme is so cute. Melissa from DIY Melissa and Sweet Buttercup Designs is her shop. Did such an amazing job at designing this. And specifically, we are going to be using the extras, which is this snack caddy, and the extras from the concession banner. I love that you just click on the picture and it instantly downloads. So the snack holder, or snack caddy that I like to call it, I found it works better when it's 11.5 inches wide for one of the pieces, and I'm only making half of it, and I'm using poster board. So I am taking a sheet of poster board and cutting it to fit my 12 by 24 inch mat, because I want to fit a lot of snacks in my snack holder. I liked using poster board for this as well because the poster board is super sturdy, so it's gonna hold the snacks and not lose its shape. This box was so easy to put together. The score lines made it so easy to just bend into place, and then I used some hot glue to glue it together because I didn't want it to come apart, and I really wanted to put a lot of snacks in this. Now, technically, based on the file, you would make 2 of these and then glue them back to back, but like I said, I just made one because I just liked the look of just the one shape. But you can make 2 as well and hold double the amount of snacks. We'll come back to the snack holder to decorate it in a little bit. First, I wanted to show you guys the super cute stickers I made using the concession banner. All I did was took a font and made my own sayings and layered them on top of some of the different party shapes that Melissa designed, and I flattened them and printed them and cut them out on my Cricut on sticker paper. From there, I just took different cardstock and eyeballed where to cut strips to wrap my snacks. I think that this is just a fun way to do something cute for your spouse or your kids. I think it would be so fun to do stuff for your kids as well. But I made sure to get my husband's favorite drinks and snacks for our movie night, and all I'm doing is taping it on to the pop can. I'm from the Midwest, so I call it pop. And if you want to tape it to the can too so it doesn't slide, that is recommended. Then we just grab our cute little stickers and stick it on. It's so darn cute, isn't it? Isn't it? And I literally just eyeballed everything to see how big to make it. I didn't make it fancy. I'm sure you can get it a lot more fancier. Actually, I know you can. There are some very talented people out there. But I know my husband is just gonna mow through these, so I wanted to do just a little bit to add some cute extra touches. I taped it on the back, and then we got my I love you a chocolate sticker. The stickers just make it so fast and easy, but Melissa did design the files so that you can actually cut every layer out of paper, which she did, and it's insane. I did my Life Without You Would Be Unbearable for my gummy bears, and that completes the basic candy snacks and pop, and you can see how it's gonna fit in the caddy. It's so cute, and it actually holds the pop pretty well. Under the movie party files, there is a popcorn box, but I wanted to do the snack caddy for the actual snacks, but I am decorating it like a popcorn bucket. All I did was cut little strips of red paper out and hot glued them on, and then we're adding my butter together sticker. I think this one's my favorite. Honestly, I love them all, but yeah, I think this one's my favorite. Probably because my husband is obsessed with popcorn, so it's just so fitting for him and us for our movie date night. I packed the caddy with all of the snacks with the cute little stickers, and I cannot wait to show you the whole decor. Melissa from DIY Melissa, who designed this, and Sweet Buttercup Designs, where she sells actual party supplies that she makes. She made all the banners and gifted them to me. Oh my gosh, I was so thankful because I love the files and the way I use them, but Melissa's work is amazing. I mean, this doesn't even do it justice. You have no idea. But I hope you guys loved this. This theme is so fun for a movie lover like myself and for my husband. I couldn't think of a better way to spend a night at home, and I hope you guys do it too. See you next time.